Hi friends, it's Abhay here. Welcome to Coders Project. So in this video, we are going to be discussing about lists. So the list data type. A list is a collection which is ordered and changeable. In Python, lists are written with square brackets. In Python 3, lists are often used in many projects. So now I'm going to be showing you what and all I'm going to be covering in this video. I'm going to start with creating a list, then accessing items in the list referring to the index number. Then I'm going to be showing you negative indexing, then range of index, then range of negative index, then changing the item value. Then I'm going to be showing you how do you loop through a list, check if an item exists, then the list length, how do you add items to a list, then remove it, then how do you copy a list, and how do you join two lists. Let's get started. So as you can see, I have specified list over here. I have named it list 1 and I have specified three colors over here. I'll be printing list 1. When I print this, I'm going to get all the strings which I have specified over here. So it's red, orange and blue. Now I'm going to be showing you how do you access items using the index number. So this is a list over here. I'm just going to be printing list 1, list 1, and in the brackets open up the square brackets and type the index number. So if I type it 0, it's going to print out red. If I type it 1, it's orange, and if I type it 2, it's blue. So index starts from 0 and goes on. I'll be printing out 0, it will give me red over here, and if I print out 1, it's orange, and 2 is going to be blue. Okay, now I'm going to be showing you negative indexing. So negative indexing means beginning from the end, that is -1 refers to the last item, -2 refers to the second last item. So I'll just show you. -1 it's going to give me blue, and then -2 is going to give me orange, and then -3 is going to give me red. Okay. Now I'm going to be showing you the range of index. So for that, you can specify a range of index from the starting point to the ending point. While specifying a range, the return value will be a new list with specified items. So I'll just be showing it to you. 0 to 3 or 4. Let me add a few more things over here. I'll add black, and then I'll add green. Let's just run this now. So it's going to start from red and print till black. Yeah, now I'm going to be showing you what happens when you don't specify the starting number. So it just takes in everything from 0 and then prints till 4. And what happens when you don't specify the ending number? Like I'll take the starting number as 2 and ending number, let it be blank. So it prints blue, black and green because it starts from blue, which is 2, and then ends the list to green. Now I'm going to be showing you the negative range of index. So I'll take this to be -4, which will not print out red, it will start from orange, and then -2. So it's going to print out orange and blue. This is going to be -3, and -2 is blue. So yeah, this is how you print out the range of negative index. Now I'm going to be showing you how do you change the item value. So for that, you just have to type in your list name, list_1, open the square brackets and type the index number. Like I'll be changing green to gold now, so it's going to be index number 4 equals then gold, and I'm going to print out the list 1, and then I'll run this. So it's going to change green to gold over here. Now I'm going to be showing you how do you loop through a list. So let me remove this, and then now I'm going to be typing for x in list 1 print x. So what this is going to do is it's going to print out all the list items. So it's red, orange, blue, green, and black and green. So now I'm going to be checking if an item exists in the list. So for that, I'll add an if statement over here. If what should I type? If gold in list 1, then print out yes, else no. So when I run this, it's going to check if gold is in list 1. If it is not, it's going to print no. If it is, it's going to print S. So it's no over here since we don't have gold in our list 1. Now I'm going to check the list length. So to check the list length, you just have to type print len and then your list name, which is list 1 over here. Print this out. So it's going to say you 5. There are 5 items in the list. Now I'm going to be showing you how do you add an item to the list. So to add an item to the list, there are many methods. I'll show you one by one. So first method is going to be the append method. So type your list name, list underscore 1 dot append, and then in the brackets you're going to be typing what you want to add to the list. I'll be adding gold, and now I'm going to print list 1. So it has added gold over here. Now I'm going to be showing you how do you add items using the insert method. So for that you just have to type list underscore 1, your list name, and then dot insert, and then where do you want to insert it. So I'm going to be inserting it in second position, so index 1, then silver. Let me print this out now. Print out list underscore 1. So it's red, silver, orange, blue, black, and green. So it has added silver over here. Now I'm going to be showing you how do you remove items from the list. So type your list name. For me it's list underscore 1 dot remove, and then in the brackets you have to specify what you want to remove. So I'll be removing red, and I'll print out the list 1, list underscore 1. Let me run this. So it has removed red over here. Now I'm going to be showing you how do you remove using the pop method. So you just have to type list underscore 1 dot pop, and then print it out. Print out list underscore 1. So it's going to remove the last item in the list, whatever we have specified. So it's going to remove green, and you can specify what you want to remove. For example, 0. It's going to remove red. So red has been removed. Now I'm going to be showing you how do you remove items using the del function. So list underscore 1 dot del. Actually it's del and then list underscore 1, del list underscore 1, and in the bracket specify what you want to remove. So I'll be removing red, which is index 0, and then print out list 1, list underscore 1. Let me run this. So it has removed red over here. Now I'm going to be showing you how do you clear the list completely. So you just have to type your list name, list underscore 1 dot clear, and then print it out. Print list underscore 1. So there are nothing in the list. Now I'm going to be showing you how do you copy a list. So to copy a list, there are two methods. You can use the copy method or the list method. So I'll show you the copy method first. So just type in your list name. You must create a new list name over here. So list2, list underscore 2 equals your list name, which is list underscore 1 dot copy, and then print out the list2. When you run this, so it's okay, list underscore 2, yeah. So when you run this, it's going to copy whatever we have specified in list 1 to list 2 and then print out the list 2. Now I'm going to be showing you how do you use the list function to copy. So you just have to type your new list name, list underscore 2 equals list, and then type your list name over here, which is list1, list underscore 1, and then print out list2. So this is also a inbuilt method from Python which you can use to copy a list from one thing to another. Now I'm going to be showing you how do you join two lists. So let me add a few things in list2, like numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now I'm going to be joining these two lists. So I'll create a new list, list underscore 3 equals list underscore 1 plus list underscore 2. Now I'll print out list 3, list underscore 3. So as you can see, list 1 and list 2 has been merged or joined. Now there are many more ways through which you can join list 1 and 2. I'll be showing you how do you join it through the extend method. So let me remove this line over here. Now I'm going to be typing list1 dot extend, and then in the brackets I'm going to be typing the list2, list underscore 2. Now what this does is it's going to combine list 2 and list 1 into a single list. It's going to take it and combine it to list 1. So let me print out list 1, list underscore 1. So as you can see, it's combined. Thank you guys for watching my video. Do subscribe my channel, like my videos. See you soon.